This is time out.
Hi, welcome back to our channel. I'm Annabelle and this is my little brother Abraham. And today we're going to be making healthy apple crisp with no gluten, dairy, sugar, no dairy, and no sugar, and no sugar or wax. We're making healthy apple crisp with apples, water, dates, oats, vanilla extract, cinnamon, and salt. And most of all, the apple peeler. That's the thing we need. That's right. So let's get started. First thing we need to do is get peeling the apples. Now let's look. I'll peel the apple. How about you, Bunny? Got the oats. We need to make an oat flour out of these oats. We also have to make dates out of these dates. Peeling these apples is going to take a really long time. I haven't even got halfway through, and there's like 10 of them. Hey, if you see these and give me some magic. Yeah! Do it. Cool. That's cool. I don't know. Don't. The magic happened! Whoa! Look, the water's gone. It mixed with the dates to make the date paste. Whoa, look. The oats the apple. And the apples are peeled and cut. Cool. I can make an apple. Okay, let's get an apple crisp put together. Take your bowl of cut apples, and we're gonna mix in the date paste. You want to help? Sure. I can't get it all out. The next is the cinnamon. 1 tablespoon. So messy. Now let's do 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Let's mix this up before we add our oats. Add the baking point. Now it's time to put in the oats. Hey, do you want to add some salt first? Now let's take these oats and put them on our apples. Stir it up. It's ready to stir up. Now let's stir it up. Okay, now it's time to get this in our baking dish. Design. This is gonna be. I can do this. Pat, 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 pat. Scoop, scoop, pat, 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 pat. Once you have it patted in there, you can lick your spoons. I'm going to get this in the oven. I'm going to help with get this whole kitchen in the oven. Ooh. It's out of the oven. It smells so good. This is a baby sister last. make healthy apple crisp.
Thanks for watching our video.
Make our